So guys, this is how we found out that we have a leak. Water, there was a huge water bubble here this morning, okay? And I actually thought it was condensation because I forgot to run the fan. But then it came back again, and today was a very humid day. And there's nothing on the ceiling in the bathroom. Everything's fine. Except this area, because right above this is the AC unit, and basically there's a whole thing of wires going down, and the water's just traveling down the 2x4, and the sheetrock is open here, and somehow it's just coming out right here. So yeah, I found out what happened, and basically I had a gutter installed on the back of my house, and the guy shoved the condensation pipe really far, and it cracked the housing, and there you go. So not sure if he has insurance or what, but it looks like I'm gonna have to find out, because right now I'm on the hook for fixing everything. So yeah, I'm having fun in the basement. I mean, in the attic. This AC, I think it's a condenser unit in my attic, broke. Have to vacuum out the water in the drain pan. And now I have to figure out what the problem is. So, fun times. I don't know if that's a crack in the tank. It might be. Oh, Lord. So I found the problem. This whole thing is cracked, as you can tell. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is horrible. Wow. So I think I need a new tank. Fantastic. I mean, for tonight, I'm just gonna silicone the crap out of it, because it keeps leaking onto the studs. And I don't want any more, I don't want water problems in this house. So, and then I'm gonna look to see what I could do tomorrow. But it's too late to get a tank, a drip pan now. So, another thing is, how the hell am I gonna lift this heavy bastard? I think I have to prop some 2x4s up. Well, I'm gonna have to figure it out. Alright guys, I did an extremely messy job. I had to use my fingers. I have all these pipes and stuff to get in. I'm basically a bit of a contortionist right now just to freaking work on this. And this plastic is cracked on both sides, big holes. This is not a small hole to silicone. So yeah, I went crazy. Ugh. And I went crazy on inside too. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to apply this more than once. I might, make it look better some other day, but right now I have to stop the leak. It's probably about 10 o'clock at night, and I guess my battery's dying. So, yep, this is the AC condenser unit in my attic, and I have to use a shop vac. All types of fun, all types of fun. But I'm hoping this silicone helps me out, since it is for wet areas. And I'll be back here to check on it tomorrow. So, fun stuff. Co to jest?
Mama brought that one, right? Oh, you guys bought that?
Yeah,
Who brought it, your mom?
we bought it.
I know your mom gave you what, a hanging plant, right?
Trzeba wodę